Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, and I'm going to use the white shadow just to set my base. And then I'm going to go in with this brown, and I'm going to put that all over my crease to help me blend the rest of the colors that I'm going to be adding. And next I'm using kind of like a yellow orangey color. Oh my god, I'm so bad at describing the colors, but yeah, I'm just gonna put that. I'm doing this kind of messy. I really don't care. Clearly I'm not good at makeup, but you know, it's just about having fun. It's not that serious. Now that I added that red color, I'm going in with the black, and I'm gonna kind of outline where I want the black to go. And now I'm gonna switch brushes and do it a little bit thicker and blend it out a little bit. And here I'm using this NYX Cosmetics pigment primer, and I've never used a glitter primer before, so I felt like this one worked really good. I also got this NYX glitter, and it's in the color 9. It's such a beautiful color. So I'm just gonna add that all over the lid, and I'm gonna go a little bit to my crease, and then I'm just going to outline again with the black. And you guys, I'm having such a hard time with my eyebrows. I'm letting them grow, and I feel like one is growing one way and the other one is growing a completely different way. So it's been kind of hard for me to get them to look the same. And here I just added that orange color again, so that I can kind of blend out the colors a little bit better.
I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna do my foundation, like my everyday foundation.
So here I'm just adding the Tarte concealer, and then I'm just gonna use my Kat Von D powder to set everything. Okay, now I'm using this NYX, oh my god, not NYX, this Too Faced bronzer, and I'm going really heavy. I want it to be very dramatic. Now I'm applying a little bit of that orange shadow that I used on my eyes earlier, and I'm gonna use that as blush. I'm gonna go very light on it. I don't really want it to be super red, so I'm just gonna add a little bit. And right here you can start seeing the color a little bit. Now I'm gonna go back with my Kat Von D powder, and I'm just gonna clean it up so it can look a little bit more sharp. Okay, ya merito terminamos. Right here I'm adding some highlight, and I'm using MAC's Soft and Gentle. And then on top of that highlight, I also use a Kylie Cosmetics highlight in the color Cheers Darling. And I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna add some liner to my waterline. Okay, I'm adding that orange shadow again to my lower lash line, and I'm only doing it halfways. I don't like doing it all the way to my inner corner because I feel like that looks like raccoon eyes. And the very last step is the Stila liquid lipstick. Yay, we're done.
Okay, so this is the final look. It was so easy to do. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. The lips are a little bit too bright, but I feel like it still looks good. I mean, who gives a fuck? It's Halloween. You can get away with anything. It looks messy, sloppy, it doesn't matter. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Lo que otros no miran, tiro el humo al viento si me hablan de envidias. Yo no hablo de ustedes, solo se me riman con